Hey everyone, welcome to your quick market update. Today is Friday, October 17th. Happy Friday. It's been a quiet couple of weeks since the government shutdown. We've not been able to get any good government reports on inflation or jobs, but next week it's coming. Next Friday, we're going to get the consumer price index, and depending on what that shows, it's going to be quite a market mover in my opinion. Hopefully it shows some stable inflation or potentially lower inflation, and that will help the market even more. This Tuesday, Jerome Powell spoke and he made comments on the Fed's balance sheet. And this is important. He said there are signs of liquidity tightening and that the Fed may stop reducing their balance sheet in the coming months. This announcement could come as early as October 29th meeting. This could have a huge impact on rates. Currently, the Fed is allowing about $35 billion per month in mortgage-backed securities and about $5 billion in Treasuries to roll off their balance sheet and reinvesting any proceeds above that back into Treasuries. If the Fed stops the runoff altogether, the Fed will then reinvest the roughly $20 billion per month that they're allowing to fall off their balance sheet, likely into Treasuries. This should help rates. Some of Jerome Powell's other comments during his talk make it appear he is getting more comfortable with the tariff inflation being temporary, but he's still not on board with the weakening jobs market, which is hard to believe since we've gotten really weak ADP numbers the last couple of times. Other news, builder confidence is up thanks to the lower rates and their expectation that the Feds will continue to cut their rates and mortgage rates will continue to fall as well. Right now, there is a 99% chance of a Fed cut in October and a 92% chance of another cut in December. Rates are continuing to move lower on this news, albeit they're moving at a very slow pace due to the lack of any economic reports. So that brings me right back to the beginning. The consumer price index next Friday, that's going to be a B one, so stay tuned. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll talk to you soon. Have a great weekend.